Hello and welcome to my channel Math3 Design. Today we will discuss about the command that is SPLINE. There is 4 types of command for the SPLINE. Here we use only 3 types of command. That is, one is SPLINE, simple SPLINE, second is style SPLINE, and the last one is equation driven curve. These commands are used as per their requirement for the particular conditions. So let's start with the first command, that is SPLINE. First you have to choose a plane. Here we choose a plane, that is front plane, and click on sketch. Then click on SPLINE command. You can draw SPLINE from one point to another, like this and like this, like this, etc. It is used for drawing a 3D geometry like design of a car, and then we can assign and vary these tangents and the angles between them, like this. We can vary these in 3-dimensional structure or in 3D. We can also increase or decrease the dimension or length of the arc or SPLINE, like this. If we press from the end point and drag it, then it will automatically increase as per the drag speed or drag movement, like this. And if you use the second point, that is this point, this point, from here, this point, then we can increase or decrease the angle for this tangent and vary this. Okay, now the second command is the style SPLINE. Here we can assign the SPLINE from a point, passing through the points, a number of points, like here we choose the command and click on there, and there, and there, like this. So you can draw this style SPLINE by assigning the reference straight line, like this, the second straight line, third straight line, fourth straight line, and this, and then. Okay, now the last one is the equation driven curve. This is depend on the 3 functions, that is y, x1 and x2, and according to these 3 variables, the final sketch to be drawn. If you know equation for a line or a curve, then you can directly put the values of this, and without varying the dimension of this, you can get a curve accurately. Today we have discussed 3 types of SPLINE. The first is SPLINE, simple SPLINE, the second is style SPLINE, and the last one is equation driven curve. So now you understand all the 3 commands for the SPLINE. Thank you and have a good day.